Hello everyone, and welcome to our review of the Asus ROG Azoth keyboard. In this video, we'll be taking a detailed look at this keyboard's design, features, and performance, so you can decide whether it's the right device for you. Let's start with the design. The Asus ROG Azoth has a unique design with a detachable numpad that can be placed on either side of the keyboard. This means that left-handed gamers can enjoy the same functionality as right-handed gamers. The keyboard also has a brushed aluminum frame, which gives it a sturdy and durable feel. Moving on to the features, the Asus ROG Azoth has a lot to offer. The keyboard features per-key RGB lighting, which means you can customize the lighting for each individual key to match your preferences. The keyboard also has a USB pass-through port, which is great for connecting your mouse or other USB devices. When it comes to performance, the Asus ROG Azoth does not disappoint. The keyboard uses Cherry MX Red switches, which are known for their linear and fast actuation. This means that the keys are highly responsive and require less force to press, making them ideal for gaming. The keyboard also has a 1000 Hz polling rate, which means that it sends data to your computer 1000 times per second, resulting in a faster response time. The Asus ROG Azoth also comes with software that allows you to customize the keyboard's functions and lighting. The software is easy to use and has a lot of options, allowing you to create your own macros, adjust the lighting, and customize the functions of the keys. So, what's the verdict? Who wants a high-quality keyboard that is both customizable and highly responsive? With its unique design, detachable numpad, per-key RGB lighting, and Cherry MX Red switches, this keyboard is a great option for serious gamers. However, if you're on a budget, this keyboard might be a bit too expensive, as it's one of the pricier keyboards on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.